can't handle the truth.
Hello everybody, my name is Ifeanyi Uba and this is 360-degree Mastery. This is the channel where we teach you personal effectiveness, self-mastery, and how to create, grow, and manage your wealth. Last week I did a video where I talked to you about how to spot if your child is being bullied and the steps you can take to make sure that that bullying does not continue. This week I want to talk about you. Are you being bullied? There's no need to feel ashamed. Bullying is something that happens at every stage of life. Whether you are a child or you're an adult, there is a chance that you can be bullied. Some people are being bullied in their place of work. Some people are being bullied by their neighbors. Some people are even being bullied in their marriages. Okay? If you don't take steps to address that bullying and to end it, it's going to continue. It's going to cost you time and opportunities. It's going to cause you a lot of pain and distress, and you will not be able to get the best out of life. All right, now today I'm going to tell you the steps that you can take when you have identified who the bully is or what that person is doing. Steps that you can take to make sure that that bullying does not continue. The first thing you need to do is you need to confront that bully. Approach him or her and tell that bully, this is what you are doing that is causing me distress. You need to be specific. You tell them, look, I don't like the way you come into my office unannounced, or I do not like the way you go to my desk and take things without permission, or I do not like the way you undermine my authority in the presence of other people. Don't say, oh, you are mean to me, you are not treating me well. No, be specific. Tell them the specific behavior. You tell them, look, you play your music in the middle of the night. It does not allow me to sleep. You park your vehicle in front of my house and it is causing me distress. I do not like it. Let them know exactly what it is they are doing that is causing you distress. Call out that bullying behavior. And then the second thing that you need to do is you need to let them know what that bullying is doing to you. Okay, you can tell that bully, your behavior is not allowing me to focus on my work, it's preventing me from giving my best to this job, or your behavior is preventing me from getting sufficient rest in the night and it is affecting my family negatively and I am not able to provide for them sufficiently. Let them know in specifics what their bullying behavior is doing to you. The third thing you need to do is you need to tell them, you need to let them know that that behavior needs to stop. You tell them, look, I have endured this thing up till now, but today I'm telling you that this behavior has to stop forthwith. If it does not stop, I guarantee you that action is going to be taken and you will not like it. I am only giving you fair warning. All right? You need to be firm and you need to be clear. Let them know. Do not be intimidated or do not let them coerce you. At this stage, some bullies will say, oh, I'm just playing with you. Or can't you take a joke? I was just trying to, I was just trying to make fun with you. No, tell them, no, I don't make fun that way. Your behavior is causing me distress. I need to stop this thing now. Now, the fourth step, if that behavior continues, you call them out in public. When you have an opportunity, you are having a meeting in the office or you are having a residents association meeting, you call them out, raise your hand and say, I want to take this opportunity to call out this person. This person's behavior, specific behavior, is causing me distress and it is preventing productivity in my life and in my home, and I want this behavior to stop right now. You'll be surprised that when you do that, the number of other people who are suffering the same thing at the hands of that person are going to come out and lend their voices to yours, and you can call out that bully and force him or her to stop that thing right there. Okay, it is very, very important that you learn how to stand up to your bullies. Like I said, if you do not stand up to them, then it is going to continue. The fifth step that you need to do to ensure that the bullying stops and does not continue or does not start again is you need to treat that bully with formality. Be formal, be polite, be friendly, but do not establish any close emotional ties with that bully. Let them know that their behavior is unacceptable, and until there is evidence that they have changed that behavior, then you are not going to be emotionally available to them. Keep them at a distance, be formal with them, be curt with them. Don't be rude. Okay, be polite, be courteous, but also be firm and be formal at all times with them. When they see that I cannot get the best out of this person as long as I continue this behavior, then they're going to be forced to review their behavior, and they're going to be forced to make a change. Those are 5 very important and very potent steps to take in ending bullying. Remember, bullying can be physical or it can be emotional or psychological. Okay, at this stage I don't see anybody bullying you physically unless maybe it's a uniformed official or it is a government official with a gun. I don't see you being bullied physically. When I was growing up, I was bullied a lot physically, but now I don't see anybody doing that. So most of the bullying I face is emotional or psychological, and this is how I stand up to them. I let them know that if something is not done, then I am going to take action against them, and that behavior must not continue. How do you see this video? If this video was helpful, please go ahead and click like. Share this video with somebody who needs it. I'm sure there's somebody right now, right out there, who as an adult is being bullied, is suffering a lot at the hands of bullies. Share this video with them. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out my online store. The address is there at the bottom of the screen, saskeventures.com. I have all the Ifeanyi Ubah books available for you. Please check them out, pick the titles you want, add to cart, proceed to checkout, supply your details, make payment, and boom, we'll deliver to you just like that. As you prepare for Christmas, please remember that there is need for safety. Put on your face mask, sanitize your hands, observe social distancing, avoid large gatherings if necessary, protect yourself, protect your family. Enjoy your Christmas celebrations. Make it a small one, make it a tight-knit one, and have the best of life. I wish you a prosperous week ahead. My name is Ifeanyi Ubah. This is 360 Degree Mastery. I will see you next week, God willing, with more tips, more advice on how to get the best out of this life, how to create, maintain, and manage your wealth. Namaste.